Yo, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the Tekk YouTube channel, and today we have an unboxing and first impressions of the JBL Partybox 100. So first off, we're going to start off down here. The JBL signature sound right here. Got the light show, which actually I'm quite excited for because I've never had a speaker with a light show before. It's a party speaker, my first speaker actually over 100 watts, come to think about it. Portable with rechargeable battery, that's important for a speaker this size. That's really impressive. Mic and guitar inputs. Something that I'm personally going to be using is the microphone inputs, maybe the guitar inputs myself as well. I have a guitar of my own, actually I have two of them, and they're fun to use. So then we have wireless Bluetooth streaming. That is what I'm mostly going to use. Battery play time of 12 hours. That's pretty good for a speaker this size when you really come to think about it. Most speakers this size have to be plugged into a wall. So yeah, let's get right into the unboxing part of this video. Big boy. We're gonna get right into the cutting this box open so we can inspect it. I have no idea how big it is in real life. I have never seen this speaker. This really is my first impression of this product, so let's get right into it. Alright y'all, now we're gonna get right back into the box, or we're gonna get right into the box anyway. Now what's this? I have no idea personally. Alright, I'll have to check this out later. I assume this is something to do with the power cable. So, I cannot wait to see this thing fully. I'm gonna have to literally overturn this thing. So here we go. Wow. Big box out of here. Here is the speaker. Right now. And yeah, y'all, if I didn't get the rest of the unboxing, I'm sorry. I think my video cut out and I'm just about out of space in this phone, but yeah, I got the foam off, so this is what this thing looks like. It's massive. It's beautiful, in my opinion. This is my favorite part about this speaker is right here. I love that. That is so clean, it's so beautiful, and it's so heavy. I just cannot wait to test this thing. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video. If it's a little choppy, I'm sorry, it's just how it is. My phone's almost out of space, and I did not know that. So yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed anyway, and I'll see you all in the next Tekk unboxing video. Hopefully I'm more polished up by then. It's my first video in a while, so just please cut me a little slack. Don't kill me in the comments. Anyway, peace y'all.